We are already in the eighth day of Ramadan, and it's still terrifying. Nothing feels normal, nothing feels sane. At some point, you run out of words. You just live with it because you have no other choice. But I keep wondering, if you were in our place, would you be able to handle this sound? Would you sleep? Would you stay calm? Would you survive it every single day? Because this isn't a movie. This is our reality. Enough is enough. خلاص.
That's what we hear all the time.